Good day, Lancer community. We hope that you are finding yourself at this point to watch the video to get some help for our computer and network related issues that we've been having. We recognize that this has been a little bit of a struggle with our infrastructure and network, and we recognize that some of you need to get help as quickly as possible. So what we're going to do is we're going to walk through a system today that will allow you to submit these heat tickets or help desk requests to expedite the process of getting your computer up and ready to go. We appreciate your patience, and we hope that if you follow through this process, we can get these issues resolved quicker because it'll put you in touch with the help desk technology team in order to fix these issues and also to let them know how widespread these issues really are. So it's a really simple strategy and a really simple way to connect. If you can log into your computer, if you can get onto the network, if you can get to a website here at school, you can submit a heat ticket or a help desk request. So, in fact, anytime, even if it isn't an issue of network or hardware, you can submit a help desk request whenever you're connected. All of our computers have at the bottom of the screen in our launcher the SMSD Web Help Desk life ring. And if you click on that life ring, it'll take you directly to our help desk. Now I'm going to show you, if you need to log in, it'll take you to this screen right here. Welcome to the SMSD Help Desk. And you would have to enter your network credentials, and those are the same credentials that you would use to log into your computer. Your ID number and password will get you in, and you can now submit any request that you need for your technology. It starts with this piece up here called request type. Now you aren't going to have all the options because as a staff member I have more, but you're most likely going to click technology request, and then more options are going to come up for you to choose. You can choose hardware related. Maybe you're having an issue with your machine itself. You're submitting this heat ticket on somebody else's computer, but you've logged into your account. You can still submit a help request for that device because it's your login. So maybe it's hardware, maybe it's software. You're having an issue with logins on software you've downloaded from the Manager app, or most likely at this point, it's network related. So let's say it's network related. You click that, it's going to ask you if you're wired or wireless. And of course, you're in a wireless situation, so you're going to indicate that. Now in the subject, you can be brief and tell us a little bit about what the issue is. And let's say if the VPN doesn't work and you need a little bit more help. Under request, you would then type a little bit more about your information. And, my computer logs in at school, but not at home, blah, 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 so on and so forth. We don't know if it's a building-wide issue, so you might not even have this option. But you do have the option to attach a file, and it is always helpful if you can get a screenshot of an error message or as much information as you can provide our tech support folks will make the resolution come that much quicker. So as you get this information and you don't know how to get any further, take a screenshot. Remember, that's Command Shift 4 to get the crosshairs to get a screenshot of a certain area, or Command Shift 3 to take a whole desktop screenshot. And then you can attach that file. So you would choose that file, you'd navigate to where that screenshot is on your computer, and then you would click Open. When you get that there, you click Upload, and it will start uploading that screenshot for our tech support to be able to help you. The next step is to make sure your location is Shawnee Mission East High School, which should happen, and then finally take a look under My Assets. And under My Assets, this is where you're going to select the device that's having an issue. It doesn't have to be the device that you're on. You're on a login that now says, hey, these are the devices that you've been checked out, and this is the device that's having trouble. So let's say it's my MacBook Air, 13 inches, and it goes under Ticket Assets. Once you have all of that information set up, you click Save. It's going to submit your help desk request, and it's going to send you an email saying your help desk requests have been received, and you can follow and track the progress of that by following this link. The more that you can submit these help desk tickets rather than coming up to the library or throwing your hands up and saying, I don't know how to fix it. Well, we do have the access to this, and hopefully then this expedites the process of getting these pieces fixed. So again, if you ever have any questions, please stop up at the library and see what we can do to help out. But it's always a good place to start by going right down to that SMSD Web Help Desk ticket and submitting that so we can get your problem fixed as quickly as possible. Thanks for following along, and let us know if you have any questions.